This is the NUK Electric Breast Pump. I don't know how to pronounce it, probably NUK. This is a breast pump that I got for $5 from the thrift store. And let's see the features first. Gentle and efficient pumping action, individually adjustable suction pressure. Individually adjustable. Okay. Lightweight and easy to clean. Includes 125 ml NUK bottle and a 3-volt adapter. Good to know. Free nursing pads and a pouch inside. Simple push button action to no manual pumping necessary. Hard to read through the viewfinder. Here it show you what's inside. We have the user manual and all the parts. Here we have a paper that someone glued it here. It's about the return policy, and this is the website, www.nuk.de, Germany. And yes, it says Zeben, Germany. Pump and adapter made in China. NUK bottle, teeth and other parts made in Germany. So all the electronics made in China and all the non-electronic parts made in Germany. That's tell you that China owns the electronic market. Anyways, let's see what's inside. It looks clean. It looks like it's never been used. Yeah, this looks new. The adapter still has the wire still tied. Looks never been touched. 500 milliamps, 3-volt DC, center negative. Welcome to the center negative club. It's a barrel jack, small one. We have a cover of some sort, and that's the NUK bottle. Yeah, it looks very clean, so probably it's never been used. This is a rubber. Put it here by the look of it to get this airtight seal around the breast. And we have something here. Oh crap, we have corroded batteries inside. What brand is that? Titanium Energizer, of course. So we need to clean this mess first. The terminals, they look fine. One of them has a little of corrosion. We need to clean this. We'll do that later. So let's see what we have here. This is the on-off switch. We have a push button. And a dial to control the pumping speed, maybe, or the pressure. this part comes apart. So how it works, it just pumps like this and push it through to the bottom. Very simple design. Let's turn it on and see if it works. We'll use the power adapter. It's on the off position. Where is the, this is the connection here. Nothing. Oh. It's pumping. Oh, I can't feel anything. If you rotate this, let me just undo the cable. Something wrong. Not sure what's going on, and it was working in the beginning, now it stopped working. If I press it, it will stop. Let's take it apart and see what's inside. See what the problem is. Okay, I'm not sure where to start because there are no screws anywhere, but the screw or just a as you can see, it's broken. So how do you open it? I think we need to remove this red thing first. And that's it. Very simple and very basic. Where is the switch? Oh, this is the switch. We need to connect this. Now I know what's the problem, because it was open. These clips are broken, so it wasn't holding well, so the connection here wasn't making a good connection, and that's why it was playing up, plus the residue from the batteries. So this is it, just a motor and nothing else. And this is the membrane that rotate with the motor, and and make pressure. By the way, it rotates faster than how you see it in the camera because of the camera shutter speed. It looks like it's rotating slow, but it's very fast. You cannot see it in the with the naked eye. Yeah, I can feel the pressure, the suction. So this is to adjust the suction, yeah. Yeah, less. Anyway, so that's it, very simple. I don't think we can hack it, make it like a desoldering pump, but no, it's not gonna work. Anyway, so that's it. Very simple. I cleaned this, and the terminals, the battery terminals are good. They're not damaged, which is good. And this one, it's only this one a little bit. So what should we do with it? That's the clip. This is the one on this side. The other one on this side is broken. That's why it was open like this. And before we finish the video, let's see what else we have here. We have a base for the bottle to sit in, or for the device. When you're done with it, you put it like this on the ground. We got some advertising material for the nursing pad. Maybe I should put this as a screenshot. That's your thumbnail, probably. And the warranty card, the user manual. Should I scan it for you? Maybe. We can test it like this. Maybe we should do that. That's for cleaning the NUK breast pump. Oh, so the milk does go through. I thought it's just making pressure and the milk goes straight without going through the pump, but looks like from the diagram, it looks like the milk, the liquid, does go through the pump and go out, which is not ideal. It means it will be harder to clean. These are the nursing pads by the look of it, and with the pouch, and that's it. That's strange. It looks new, everything there, and everything is clean, but there are batteries inside, and according to the information here, batteries are not included. I got some water and I will test it, because we have this one. This thing is for cleaning. You put it here and you let the water go through. So let's do that. Let's test it. Well, it's pumping. Well, the motor is very slow compared to waterless. Thinking of a watering machine, plant watering. Maybe you can do it. That's very simple. Not the greatest German engineering. It feels like a cheap Chinese product. Anyways, here you have it. The NUK Electric Breast Pump. My opinion, I would not recommend it, but who am I to judge? I'm not an expert in breast pumps. Maybe it works perfectly fine, but from the build quality, I'm not impressed. Thank you for watching.